In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dripping text effect in Canva. This simple technique gives your typography a bold, gooey style that works great for posters, thumbnails, and social posts. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can follow along in any Canva design. Start by opening your project in Canva. On the left-hand toolbar, click Text. This opens the text panel where you can add and style words. Choose Add a heading to place a large text box onto your canvas. A heading is ideal because it starts big and is easy to read, which makes the drip effect stand out. Replace the placeholder text with your word or phrase, then adjust the size. You can drag the corner handles to scale it, or use the font size box in the top toolbar for precise control. For the best results, consider a bold, chunky font. Thicker letters give you more room to layer drips so they look natural. Center the text on your page so you have plenty of space to work, and zoom in a little for accuracy while placing the shapes. Next, go to the left toolbar again and click Elements. In the search bar at the top, type Drip. You'll see a variety of shapes and illustrations that look like paint, drips, slime, or melting effects. To keep everything crisp and easy to recolor, click Graphics to filter your results to vector graphics rather than photos or videos. Now add the drip effects onto your letters. Drag a drip graphic onto the canvas and position it so it overlaps the bottom edge of a letter, as if it's melting downward. Use the color picker in the top toolbar to match the drip to your text color, or pick a contrasting shade for a more stylized look. Resize the drip by dragging the corners and rotate it slightly if needed so it follows the letter's contours. You can duplicate a drip for consistency or mix different shapes to make it feel organic. If a drip needs to sit behind or in front of the text, use the position or arrange controls to move it backward or forward until it blends naturally. Keep placing and adjusting drips across the rest of your letters, varying sizes and spacing to avoid a copy-paste look. When everything feels balanced, you can select the letter and its drips and group them so they move as one piece, and that's it. You clicked Text, added a heading, customized your word and size, went to Elements, searched Drip, filtered by graphics, and layered the drips onto each letter. Enjoy your new dripping text effect in Canva.